is a blue-tone Stratocaster guitar I want to build, as I have an unfinished extra light alder warmth Stratocaster body lying around for many years, so why not paint a blues theme on it? I always wanted to paint something on the guitar, so I think that what a better way to do a blues theme as Robert Johnson tribute guitar. The legend that Robert Johnson sells his souls to the devil in Crossroads. The devil gives his guitar a tuning, a magic touch that with magic power, some supernatural power behind his magic hands. To symbolize this, I imitate the gesture of God's magic touch at the fresco painting by Michelangelo, The Creation of Adam, which forms part of the Sistine Chapel ceiling. There are not many photos about Robert Johnson. Most iconic one is this one use of his album cover. To proficient hand drawing skills on his image and practice first, I started with doing some sketch. Then I traced the outline of guitar onto paper, to planing the composition. Drawing Robert Johnson on left side of guitar, and carefully putting his left hand to side bridges. Drawing the devil on top of guitar pickguards, the devil's wing extended to the top horns. Traced the drawings onto the guitar body. Before I paint on real guitar body, I testing the water's color on a piece of wood first, made sure it okay and the protective matte satin finish not darkened the painting. I used red and yellow color to paint the Crossroads background first. After paint the background, I like to start painting the devil first, as you can use your imagination and go with it. Like this devil costume I designed for Petrochka, a ballet with music by Russian composer Igor Stravinsky. Should I add this iconic tree to the Crossroads background? What kind of guitar pickguards should I use on this guitar? If you have any ideas or questions, please comment below at comments section. To find out what I paint on back of this Stratocaster guitar body, with details step-by-step time-lapse tutorial, and other guitar DIY tutorial, please subscribe my channel and share my video which I will update more on this.